I haven't added an elastic yet in the skirt because I'm rushing with my natural light because it's almost sunset. So without further ado, let's get started how I made this halter top pattern. So we will begin with this basic pattern. Believe me, if you have this basic pattern, you can make all the patterns that you want with all kinds of tops. I will link a tutorial in the description box on how to make a basic pattern that I've got from Kim Babe. She explained it clearly and easily. I'm a beginner, so I believe that you can make your own basic pattern too. So if you finish making your own basic pattern, come back here and let's start making our pattern. So first, I use this wire in my bra as a guide on how to make the bustier pattern, and then placing it in the bust line and just trace the curve with your pen. Next, from the neck and in the bust line, draw a straight line. Then draw a line starting from down of the apex. This is the waistline and I'm going up with a 1 inch because I want my halter top to be cropped. Now for the armhole, just make a big curve for the armhole. Sorry for my head. For the back piece, just trace these lines in the other paper. Finally, cut the pattern pieces. And then making a back pattern by just tracing the end lines of the front piece.